How to add multiple pics to Instagram story. First is by opening your Instagram app and then go to your camera by swiping right like this one. And then once you have done that, you may click on the um, shutter button right here or capture button, or you may choose a photo right here. So for example, I'll just take a picture. Simply click on this sticker button right here and choose the photo sticker right here. So you may click on that one and choose the photo that you want. For example, I will choose this one. And then as you can see now, I have two pictures in Instagram. You may also add another picture so it will be three and many more. There is also another option, which is the layout option right here. So click on layout and you may change the grid to how many pictures that you want. For example, you wanted only two, three, four, and many more. So choose one, take a picture or upload a picture, and then there you go. That's how you can add multiple pics to Instagram story.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.